Barely functional.
Wow, look at that mouth open. This is the little baby bird. We taken him to a rescue because he got injured. Okay, there you go. Well, as promised, I went back to the beach. I was there the day before yesterday in the evening. I made the walk, like I said I was. And then what happened was that in the process of doing all the things, my camera bracket slipped a little bit on where I had it attached, and basically ruined the entire 2.5 miles worth of scenery. So there's a little bit here that I'm going to show you. And yeah, it's not a whole lot to look at. But I did do it, and there's the proof that I did do it. I'm not going to go again. We're going to jump right into some other Ocean City stuff. But today we are headed to Newark, Delaware, to a bird sanctuary where we will be delivering a tiny baby bird that fell out of one of the trees the other day in the storm and is injured. And it's not a matter of just putting him back over there and helping, the parents find it again. He's injured, so we are headed out 2.5 hours away to deliver a baby bird to the baby bird sanctuary, the bird sanctuary. I can't remember the name of the place. As soon as we get in the car, I'll get you up to speed on that. It is hot. Holy crap. And yeah, so see you in a minute. Stopped in just the perfectly wrong spot, but that's a Waffle House over there. You don't have to go south to get to the Waffle House, folks. You can just go to interior Delaware, and that's the sign right there. And of course, we're looking at it 100% sideways, but I swear to you, yes, Waffle House. Okay, so the baby bird has a home. Little baby cowbird.